If you need to change your phone number on Tastytrade, follow these steps to update it securely through your account settings. First, log into your Tastytrade account either via the web platform or mobile app. Once you're logged in, go to the My Profile or Account Settings section. This is usually found by clicking on your name or profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Next, look for the Contact Information or Security tab. Under this section, you'll see your current phone number listed. Click or tap the Edit button next to your phone number. Now, enter your new phone number and follow the on-screen instructions. Tastytrade will likely send a verification code to your new number. Enter the code when prompted to confirm the update. For security reasons, you may also be asked to re-enter your account password or answer security questions. Once everything is verified, your new phone number will be saved to your account. Keep in mind that your updated number will be used for two-factor authentication and other important notifications, so make sure it's accurate. That's it. You've successfully updated your phone number on Tastytrade in just a few quick steps. Thanks for watching.